moving forward, understanding, toward, and towards in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting lesson on English prepositions. Today, we're going to discuss a fascinating topic: the usage of the prepositions toward and towards in indicating direction. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a clear understanding of when and how to use these two words. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's define toward and towards. Both are prepositions that are used to indicate direction. They generally mean in the direction of something or closer to something. For instance, she walked toward the park, or he is moving towards the door. Now, you might be wondering, is there any difference between toward and towards? The answer is simple. In terms of meaning, there is no difference. They can be used interchangeably. However, there is a regional preference in their usage. Toward is more commonly used in American English, while towards is more common in British English. For example, an American might say, "I am heading toward the cinema." A Brit might say, "I am heading towards the cinema." Again, both sentences mean the same thing. Let's look at some examples to better understand the usage of toward and towards. 1. She ran toward the train station. She ran towards the train station. 2. They walked toward the sunset. They walked towards the sunset. 3. I moved toward the front of the room. I moved towards the front of the room. All of these sentences indicate the direction in which the action is happening, showing movement closer to a certain location. And there you have it. Now you understand the usage of the prepositions toward and towards in indicating direction. Remember, while there is no difference in their meanings, toward is more commonly used in American English and towards in British English. We hope this video was helpful, and as always, keep practicing. Happy learning!